Hi everyone, and welcome to the second Python tutorial in the Learn Python for Beginners course. First, open your Python engine. Create a new file or a new project. In the last tutorial, we learned about variables, operations, how to print things, and the main method. Today, we're going to learn about the if statement and the while loop. We'll start out with the if statement. The if statement is when you type in if, and then after you've typed if, you type in a condition. For example, we type in 3 is greater than 2. In Python, all if statements have to end with a colon. You click enter. Now, you can type something for the program to execute if this condition is satisfied. What we're going to do is print it is true. The way this program works is the computer sees if and then a condition. If the condition is satisfied or if the condition is true, it will print it is true. But if it is not true, it will not print anything. Let's save this and test. Give it a name. And run it. As you can see, it printed it is true because the condition 3 is greater than 2 is satisfied. 3 is greater than 2, so it printed out this. Now, the second thing that we're going to learn is the else. The else statement goes along with the if statement. To do the else, you do enter and type in else, and the else, just like the if statement, is followed by a colon. Click enter, and now you can do anything that you want the computer to execute. We're going to do print. Oops. So what this program does is the computer sees if 3 is greater than 2. What it does is that if this condition is satisfied or if 3 is greater than 2 is true, then it will print out whatever is in the if block. If it sees that this condition is not satisfied or if the condition is false, it goes to the next line of code and prints whatever is in the else block. We already saw that it printed out it is true because this condition is true. Let's try making this condition false. Now that this condition is false, the computer will continue to go on to the else and it will print out whatever is in the else block because this condition is not satisfied. You run it, and as you can see, it printed out it is false because this condition was not true. So it went to the else and it printed whatever you told it to do in the else block. The next thing that we're going to learn today is the while loop. The while loop is when you type in while, and just like the if statement, you type in a condition. Also, similarly to the if statement, the while loop ends with a colon. Now, we type in a condition. 3 is equal to 9. And it is followed with a colon. Click enter. Now, you tell the computer to execute something. Print hello. Now, what this program does is you told the computer that for as long as this condition is true, execute this. If this condition is ever false, do not execute this. So basically, for as long as 3 is equal to 9 is true, as long as as long as it's true, print whatever is in this block. The computer knows that 3 will never be equal to 9, so it will never print hello. Similarly to the if statement, the else block goes with the while. We can do else followed by a colon and click enter. Tell it what to execute. We're going to execute goodbye. So the computer knows that while 3 is equal to 9 is true, while it is satisfied, print this. But 3 will never be equal to 9. So it goes, just like in the if statement, it goes to the next line of code. It sees that since this is false, it will print whatever is in the else block, which is goodbye. Now let's test this out. It will be goodbye because this is false and it will never be true. So then the computer goes to the third and fourth line of code and it executes whatever is in the else block, which is print goodbye. So that is what it did. That is it for tutorial number 2 of the Learn Python for Beginners course. In the next video, we will learn a bit more about while and while loops. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.